don't come back in like 5 minutes. Come looking for me.
What's up, y'all? So today we've got a different ride. One of my favorite rides. I know I always say it's my favorite ride, but today we're doing Bastrop Bayou and we're hitting the racetrack and we're probably gonna go hit the beach. The weather always lies to me.
You lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop fucking lying.
To me, it says that it was supposed to not rain today, but there's a little drizzle going on. So we're gonna get a little wet today. And I'm going to be taking the RXP out to the track. The special treat that we have is we've got the other RXP here, the wet jet RXP. We're gonna see how these handle on the racetrack. When we say racetrack, it's just something that we named racetrack. And I got Kevin out here. I haven't ridden with him in a while, but that's my buddy. That is my original riding buddy right there. He goes, I'm gonna put those galoshes on. Rain boots, guys, are galoshes. If you unplug your drains, make sure you put them back on. Don't forget to unstrap your ski. Kevin, are you gonna jump some waves today?
If you're following.
Okay. Don't dare me.
Your gloves are flying away.
Not me.
Oh,
You know what? Because look, because they fly. I had to put the jacket on, guys. It is chilly out here right now. It says that it's about 60 degrees and there's a little bit of wind with a little bit of drizzle on the water, maybe a little bit much. Got my hat on. I was gonna wear this lovely hat, but I think I'm gonna lose it in the water because it's not meant to be bent really. So bring in the black cap. Let me just hurry up and go and meet them on the water, put my ski in the water, and we'll be ready to go.
I'm out here with the galoshes.
So we're on the water now. It's first time I'm riding with that RXP. All right, now sell us those galoshes right there, those Air Force galoshes.
Straight out of Redneckville. They got memory foam at the bottom and never get my feet wet. I can just feel my toes tingling right on the inside of them, just like this everywhere I go. You gotta get them.
It's on sale for $3.99.
I said you got enough rear deck to put a stripper pole on the back of it? Get you working off that?
I know, right?
Rich.
Oh no, wait, you said got me working on it? No. I'm all agreeing with you and everything. I'm like, I know, right? Oh, wait. Let's roll. Trucks will be back. What do y'all think? Comment below if you think I should start doing that. Putting the link for the boat launches plus the routes in the videos. If y'all like that, let me know. We're ready to go. Pick it up. Today is gonna probably be a fast-paced ride because we've got the superchargers out only. Pulled over because he had to put his mask on. What kind of mask is that? Let me see.
It's a straight war mic.
He said he's having a bunch of snot coming down his face. Let him get some space in front of us real quick so we can haul ass. Let's put this tunes on. Alright guys, we're here. We're here at the racetrack. Now, the first thing we always do when we come here is we always look to make sure. I just saw something jump out the water over there. There's nothing in the water like logs. Cue the 360 video when I did with the aerial view. you can see multiple logs that are in the water that we could not see only from a higher point. Oh, there's cows. Let's not disturb the cows. So we're just gonna go slowly through this area, go visit the cows. All right guys, so we've already checked out. There was a couple of logs that were in the water. We tried moving them. He kind of sucked up some mud, but it's all clear now. So we just got to stay in the middle. Wish us luck. I think it'll be a good run. Fat. I was like this. Yeah, I gotta get used to the ski. All right, Bishop's gonna go take a run.
We're gonna do.
Good
I
luck.
thought I was filming you.
No.
Okay.
You're going.
Okay. Just by myself.
Yeah.
Okay. And then just come back.
Yeah, if you want.
All right.
Do whatever you want. Just let the camera roll.
I'll come back in like 5 minutes. Come looking for me.
We'll hear your exhaust. We'll hear your exhaust. We'll be like.
Later, Gator.
You wanna go? Here. I'm coming to sit with you, Araceli. All right, Kevin's gonna take a turn on the ski real quick. Hold this for a second. All right, go. Coming. Which one do you want?
I don't know. What do you want?
Whatever.
Oh, this is better.
Oh, I know, right? Make sure you put the... twisties.
I haven't felt like I was locked on to a ski better than that. This is probably about the like best.
Yeah, locking. You
Yeah,
feel like you're in and everything.
Well, I had been kind of bitching about the ergo lock.
Yeah, the ergo locks were shit.
Well, yeah, because it was a good concept, but they didn't pull it off.
Yeah.
Now they pulled it off. They
They wrapped around the whole seat around above your knee too.
Yeah. You were about 6 inches away from them from where you really needed to be. You had to like scoot in and be humping the jet ski all up on it.
I mean, unless you're like
And to
6'8".
make love to the jet ski to get on it.
Right?
Yeah, you can actually sit back and be locked in now.
Yeah. I mean, otherwise you had to be like 6'8".
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was on my RXT and
They're talking crap about my seat right now because I have it put all the way to, well, actually it's to the second setting, not the first.
we on the second notch.
Yeah. And he's talking about it's set.
I think you too.
Yeah, mine is barely on ball setting.
Ball setting. He said it was on vagina
I'm on the
setting.
third notch. Mine are like
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
These guys.
I actually thought about it.